How's everyone doing? Dan Lauer with the MarineMax Nisswa sales team. Behind me is a 2025 MasterCraft XT24. This boat weighs about 5,600 pounds and comes stocked with 3,600 pounds of ballast, and you can fill that up at a press of a button in 4 minutes. Let's check it out. Here we are in the rear chase loungers. Excellent spot to hang out, and if you really want to chill, these seats do adjust and slide for max relaxation. Let's hop in the boat here. Walk through all the way in, pop-up ski pylon, and lots of sea deck on the exterior, allowing you places to step as you're getting in and out of the boat. This has a Z8 tower with the side tow hooks for getting people up surfing and keeping them in the right spot. Plenty of storage, and why don't you come check out this all-reveal dash for 2025. Standard 12-inch touchscreen on the XTs, where we have our new audio control, the horn, and your rotary control for easy wave adjustments. Coming to the front, we have your garbage, easy to access, and a billet closed door to keep the heat inside the boat and the wind out. Check this boat out online, MarineMax Nisswa, or come see it, take it home.